Welcome to my new apartment. Hi guys, welcome to my new apartment. So as soon as you come in, this is the door, and then this is supposed to be the living room area. That's how it looks. Here, this is the window slash door. We do have is it a slide? Actually, I've not opened up Iki to figure out what it is. Okay, so this is the one in the middle, that's the door, but this is a window and window. So the door is a sliding door. So just slide it. And then just after is a dining space. At first I thought these are two living rooms because the difference between this and this, it's only kidogo too, but this is a dining space. I'm thinking it's going to be a dining slash office space, and yeah, that's how it looks. And it also has access to the balcony on that side. I've shown you. Here's the kitchen. And oh my gosh, I love the kitchen so much. So this place has a bulb. I don't know whether you can see, it does has a bulb, but the living room does not have. So I think they do that so that they can give you the option of doing that corner lamp. But the kitchen has a good lighting. Let me show you. Oh, before we go to the kitchen, this is my, what is it called? AC thermostat. This is my pantry, and yeah, it's huge. It's like a very huge pantry. That's where I'm going to be putting my roikos, unga ya ugali, huko chini nitaweka mawaru, maji. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. On this other side is the microwave, of course. Lots and lots of cabinet spaces. And the microwave. I feel like these appliances are, they feel like they are brand new. So the microwave and the cooker, this one I'm going to utilize a lot, and I'm so glad it seems like it's new. The guy did mention that they were renovating this apartment and a few others. So nice, this is nice. And then the fridge. This is the fridge. First of all, I feel like it's so huge, and I'm not complaining. It's so huge. There goes the freezer. I'm not going to buy a freezer at all, like the one that I had in Minnesota. And here is the other part of the fridge. It's so big. And oh my lord, that's how the fridge looks like. And then as soon as we come to this other side, we have a dishwasher. Then also new. And then here is the sink. I love that it's double sink. And then more and more storage huku chini. And yeah, more and more storage. Also another cabinet up, baby. That's good. My non-negotiables. I had non-negotiables this time. Yes, I said there's no way in Minnesota I was going to wash clothes in less than 20, sometimes even negative degrees weather, just to go wash clothes. So, and I told myself there's also no way I'm coming to Texas to wash clothes in 100 degrees weather huko nje. No way. So here is my washer and dryer. They're hidden in that closet. And huku ndani kuna steamer. This is my washer. That's how it looks. It's very old. It looks very old, but easy to nzenze this company. I feel like they are very nice so long as they are working. Hapo ndo nashughulika sana. And this is my dryer. Same right there. And then they have two storage hapa hivi where you keep your soap, nini. I'm gonna arrange here so beautifully. And there are two others here. As soon as you leave the kitchen and the living room area, you have this part here. So as you can see, the first place that you go to is the bathroom.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make.
So there's a lot of storage here for towels, hapo juu na chini, and then chini ya sink, and also here makeup space. And then there's a tub. Oh my gosh. Hey, my relaxing days are about to be very going to be so nice. I love it. I just love it. So there's this door. There's the first door which everyone can use when they're coming to the bathroom. And then there's also this door that takes you to the bedroom. And this is the bedroom. The bedroom is so huge. I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this space, but I'll figure out something. I'm at the bathroom door, and this is how the room looks. Of course, it's empty. And then this is the door to go to the living room and the kitchen. And there is a closet right here, which I feel like is so nice. So that's closet number one. Of course, there's a window, and they have the fan here, fan na steamer. And then there's another, now the bigger closet. And this is how it looks, with more hizo vitu za kuwekelea vitu. And also this side. So that's the closet. That door leads us back to the bathroom. So there is also another place here. As soon as you open the door, there is this storage space. This is a coat. I believe it's a coat closet. It's for putting your coats. There's no electricity there, but that's how it looks. And yeah.
Every night is the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know. All of my problems, I know.
have my whole life, my whole everything in this car. Something told me to go shopping for cleaning supplies so that I can clean up the apartment. And then I was like, oh, I don't have dinner for today. Oh, I don't have spoons. Oh, I don't have paper towels. So I ended up doing like a whole shopping, and I was supposed to go just to get nini cleaning supplies. And I was telling myself, juu kuna jua, it's 104 outside. Oh my gosh, you feel like you're walking in an oven. But let me tell you something. This heat is the reason why I moved out of Minnesota. So I'm not complaining at all. I can always shower. Nikishaskia nini, I can always shower, you know. Lakini baridi, my goodness. But I'm so happy that this year I'm not experiencing Minnesota's winter. No. So I'd rather deal with the heat. I love it actually. I love this hot weather. I lost track of what I was telling you guys. Oh, I'm saying I did a whole shopping. So my car is full of... I can't even see huko nyuma, hiyo kioo ya huko nyuma. It's purely blocked. You cannot see nothing. And then this other side, I have things to a point. They're almost on top of my lap. But the good thing is that the Walmart, this one that I came to, it's less than 5 minutes away from the apartment. So yeah. And then thinking of all the things that I have to do, like cleaning up the apartment, I don't think I'm going to have the energy to cook. So I'm thinking of what to order. And I want to order something hapa tu hivi karibu so that I don't have to drive for so long just to go look for food. I like Qdoba because Qdoba is, I count it healthy. I don't know whether huku, ebu nione kama huku kuna Indian Palace. I like Indian Palace too. I'll see you guys at the house.
Fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.